Determining the number of significant figures in a number. How many significant figures are in each of the following? A. 0.04450 meters. B. 5.0003 kilometers. C. 10 decimeters equals 1 meter. D. 1.000 times 10 to the 5th seconds. E. 0.00002 millimeter. F. 10,000 meters. In the first example, we have a number 0.04450 meters that has zeros at the beginning that are merely holding the decimal place, and therefore they're not counted. In fact, a very easy way to count significant digits is to start at the left and go across until you hit the very first non-zero digit, and then everything beyond that will count. So in this example, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. Which I'll just abbreviate as sig figs. Another way to look at this is to convert this to scientific notation. We can write this as 4.450 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. And there you see the 4 significant figures very clearly. In part B, we have 5.0003 kilometers. The 5 is significant, as is each of the digits after the decimal point, including the 3 interior zeros. This gives us 5 significant figures. Example C. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. This is an example of what is called a defined quantity. And any quantity that is defined has an unlimited number of significant figures. Example D. 1.000 times 10 to the 5th seconds. Again, starting from the left, the 1 is the first non-zero digit. The trailing zeros count because there is a decimal point. That's 4 significant figures. The exponents do not add to the number of significant figures. So we have 4 significant figures in this number. E. 0.0 0, 0, 0, 2 millimeter. Now, very similar to example A, the zeros that precede the first non-zero digit do not count. So this has one significant figure. We could write this as 2 times 10 to the minus 5 millimeter, which clearly shows the one significant figure. Part F, (10,000 meters) is more problematical. Because there's no decimal point, we really don't know whether this has 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 significant figures. And so in this example, we simply have to say that the answer is ambiguous.